Are you looking for the best travel steamers? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best travel steamers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Conair Power Steam Handheld Travel Steamer for Clothes with Dual Voltage. Why it's great. The Conair Power Steam Handheld Travel Steamer for Clothes really does remind me of those old school appliances that never seem to break down. Similarly built to last, this travel steamer has 2 different voltage modes, which means that you can take it anywhere in the world without risking a shock when you plug it in. And, with 1200 W of power, it heats up quickly and outputs a ton of steam. Who is this for? I'd say that this is such an exceptional product that there are very few travelers who wouldn't benefit from purchasing it. Flaws but not deal breakers. Although this travel steamer is able to flatten out, which saves a bit on space, it doesn't collapse into as small a profile as some of the other options on this list. Power, 1200 W, water tank, 280 milliliters, weight, 1.7 pounds, heat up time, 35 seconds. Number 2. Newbealer Handheld Steamer for Clothes with 2 steam levels. Why it's great. Our next recommendation, the Newbealer Handheld Steamer for Clothes with 2 steam levels, has a higher price tag than all the other options on this list but possesses the performance necessary to justify its price tag. Heating up in only 20 seconds, this travel steamer outputs a tremendous amount of steam and, because of its metal steaming face, can also be used as an iron. Who is this for? If you're really passionate about wearing perfectly ironed shirts and want an absolutely top-of-the-line travel steamer, then this is the product for you. Flaws but not deal breakers. The product works with only 120-volt outlets, which means that you'll have to shell out for an adapter if you're going to a country that uses higher voltage. Power, 1500 W, water tank, 120 milliliters, weight, 1 kilogram, heat up time, 20 seconds. Number 3. Pionix Handheld Garment Steamer. Why it's great. This travel steamer for clothes from Pionix is a great option for travelers. Its 100 milliliters water tank can support up to 10 minutes of steaming, which will give you enough time to prepare a couple of shirts instead of just one. Who is this for? The Pionix Handheld Garment Steamer is a really efficient machine that can allow you to get a lot of steaming done at once. Flaws but not deal breakers. My one gripe with this product is its slightly above average weight, which can cause packing problems if you're right at the edge of the baggage weight allowance for your next flight. Power, 1500 W, water tank, 100 milliliters, weight, 1.87 pounds, heat up time, 25 seconds.